Hi, I'm Jenny. I've been painting for over 40 years and I use the wet into wet or alla prima method. Here's a peek at what we're going to paint today. So I'm just looking for a very loose and free background. Just going ahead and getting a nice dark color in here where I know that there's going to be a shadow from this lantern. Just basic shapes. I'm not trying to make them look like anything in particular yet. As we get farther away from the light, these flowers are going to get a little darker. I'm going to use that purple color and I'm going to start putting that in the background back here. I'm going to start off with a nice dark green. I'm going to get this very pale greenish color kind of wrapping around now. I want to make sure that that edge shows up right there, so I just picked up a little black on my brush, a little highlight on the top of this ring. Again, it just raises this whole structure up, gives it a little bit more definition, makes it look like it's three-dimensional. Work on this background just a touch to kind of fill in where I need to. This area right in here, I wanted just a touch brighter. Just a touch. I want to make sure these appear to be in shadow. You can oil paint too, so let's have some fun.